Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to factory reset your PC on Windows 11. Whether you're planning to sell your computer or just want a completely fresh start, this is the easiest and safest way to do it. Before we jump in, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel so I can keep making quick and helpful tutorials like this one. Alright, let's get started. From your Windows 11 desktop, click on the search icon in your taskbar and type Settings. Open the Settings app that appears under Best Match. Now, on the left-hand side, click System. Then scroll down and select Recovery. In the Recovery section, you'll see an option that says Reset this PC. Click the Reset PC button next to it. A new window will pop up with two options. Keep My Files, which removes apps and settings but keeps your personal files, or Remove Everything, which completely wipes your PC, including all personal files, apps, and settings. If you want a true factory reset, like when your PC was brand new, choose Remove Everything. Next, Windows will ask how you'd like to reinstall it. You can pick Cloud Download, which gets a fresh copy from Microsoft servers, or Local Reinstall, which uses files already on your device. For most people, Local Reinstall is faster and works perfectly fine. After you choose your option, click Next, and Windows will show a summary of what will happen. All personal files, apps, and accounts will be removed, and Windows will be reinstalled cleanly. Before you hit reset, make sure your laptop is plugged in so it doesn't shut down during the process. That's really important. Once you're ready, click Reset, and Windows will take care of the rest. The process may take a little while depending on your system, but when it's done, your PC will be completely fresh and ready to set up like new. And that's it. You've just learned how to factory reset your Windows 11 PC quickly and safely. If this tutorial helped you out, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. It really means a lot. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.